Malalau mali e ahou e ki moilelei ai Tonga kotoa whiawhia ke o taritali lelei ki mo tonu ke o mo ngahi o ngongo moile tio kai o maa ai televisoni Tonga ki he houani. I he wakaiko ia ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo, le ko ti hawaka e hongofulu maua tukua ki i tau taita e whakalao i he potutahi o Tonga ni i a ngawe tahama ke he ai Pasifiki. Pōpōa mō wikia i he kau ofisa kolo, ai polokalama a ahi kolo ai poto ngawe takmamata i hono teke mō whakaivia ai maa whawha ofa me masani pia mo uilelei ai ngahi tōko i kolo. Pea i tongani e timi whakatotolo whakasai nisi ke sivi ai to onga lahi koia o i vewe pelestiki i he potutahi o tongani. O kuta iei pe ngahi tala noa kehe anaiangi pehe ai tawakai ki ngahi o ngongo me he malae o e sipotika o maa ai wakai koia ki he to onga o i ea. Ko e wakailewa e ni ki he whakai ki iki, ko au liliani polo tele. Na e kau whakataha ai kau tau ene awhio mue waa whakatawa au sitelelia pehe ki no sila i a polo kalama ngawe tahama kehe i mahinani i loa koe tui moana ki hono tokangai kina e malu e potutahi e Pasifiki mi ngahi ngawe ta e whakalao pe tau tai ta e whakalao e whakahoko. Na e le kōtia i he ngawe tahani hawaka e hongo fulo maua tukua ki he tau tai ta e whakalao i he potutahi o Tongani mo e lia potutahi pule i makehe o tomoto ki.
I he whakamatala ko tuku mai mi he waa whakakau tau a Australia, ne whengawe aki whakataha a Australia, waa tokangai kina e tautai e Pasifiki, pe FFA, o kau kiai anu usila mo e kau tau e ne awhio, i ono wakai i whakalelei e kilomita si kuea e taha kilo tupu, ne nau ngā ue atu ki ai he potutahi Pasifiki, kau kiai a Tongani. Ko e tokanga, ke whakapapau i e malo e potutahi Pasifiki mihi ngahi hia whakawaha apure anga kotoa pē o whakahoko i tahi. I he mahino e hoko e ngai hia koe ni hange koe tau taita e whakalao, ke wesia i ekonomika a Australia mo e Pasifiki, pehe ki ene wesia ki e malo whakamea tokoni mo e tuuloa e Pasifiki. I e kakato e ngāwe taha o e mahinani, ne i kuna mo la lele e ngāwe tahani, a ki hono le ko te ngahi waka e taha ua, tukua ki i ki he nau tau taita e whakalao he potutahi o Tongani, pehe ke potutahi pule i makehe o e otumotu kuki. Ma ai o ngonga le tio m televisone Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
O kuwikia mo pōpōa e he kau ofisa kolo e ni ihi i Tongatapu ni polo kalama a ahi kolo masani ai poto ngawe takmamata ma ai ngahi tōku i kolo i he mahino o kune whakai ai mo whakai via i kakai kotoa hi tōku i kolo ke nau tō whakataha mo uonga taha i hono tauhi ke maa whakawhaofa mo masani o nau ngahi api no whanga moho nau kolo. O nau pōpōa i ngawe ni ke hui o kune toe whakai ai he ni ai whiema o koia ke ohi mo tauhi hake kakai o e whanua i ha ātakai o mo uilelei pia ke malo me ngahi maha ki whamo uilelei o hangi koia koe tengi ai a ko kau heni e nā whakaau hei ngai tāna ki anga vai kotoa pe i he kolo.
Ko e polokalama a ahi kolo masani koe ni o ku kei hoko atu pe he lolo Tongani. Aia ne whakahā i he ofisa kolo o atatāsi i siotane whanua. Ko taha eni i he polokalama mahu inga, he o kune teke ki nau tolu, ke toi longo mo uiangi hono tauhi honau api taktaha, mo e kolo whakaluku fua, mo ne aonga ki ono teke ai pē o mo uilelei.
Koe polokalama ahi kolo, koe oku nolelei an koe nei whaetala no ki ai. Oku whekaukau akia mo ngahi patungawe koe nei an koe ke mo ui, koe taha o e lelei, ki he koe moui ai kolo, moui ai kakai o nau nofo i he elia o maa, pia koe antakai maa te nau i ai, pia e arake moe whanau o nau wanga pe te nau sio, hange ha le so nia ke nau toro ke sio ki he kolo o ku maa, o ku wakoe e nau moui, ki he hoko atu koe anga no tauhi ai kolo ke maa ai. Rama o maa ai ngahi kolo, e lawai ke lei ai mo ui lei ai kakai lawa whai ai no whama opo ngahi mea te kau ake lewa ai ngāwe ai tonga masani pe mo e potunga mo ui i he teke o ngahi mahaki opo i o tau whonua he ngahi ahoni koe tahai ai ngahi lei ke lawa o whai no whaka o no whai a ahi kama whama ai ngahi kolo o lawa ke maai han koe ka ngai tuki ai mea ku whanau ai e nā mo ke lawa ke tau ta ofi o mafola o ngahi mahaki pe o tō mai ko tau whonuani.
Ko ngai api whakakatoa e whangofulu tupu i atata sii, aia ne nau kau kotoa pe i he lesisita ke polokalama a ahi koloni. Nā e pehehe ni e he ofisa kolo o tala fo'ou, pe ni tu i tupou. Ko e poloka whakakatoa e whā a tala fo'ou ne lesisita ke polokalama a ahi koloni. Pe o kuongo whalotolahi kia te kinau tolu i ngā ue ko teke mi he potu ngā ue taki mamata. E mahina o i kai ngata pē i hono whakaai e a takai maa mo whakaofa, ka kune toi whakawāofiangi ai e nau nofo mei he tōkui kolo.
Wahe sopi hoko mangani vai ai se alu kuni vai ai tonga masani. Wahe whaka kulupu hoki. Ona kata ngā ue. Toi tai a mea whawhiawhia ku lele pe albo sia pe ke nau ngahi ngā ue. Au nau siong na whakakulupu po tala noa he nau. Ia nau whiawhia. Wa whainga taimile rei mea koe wheo. I ngahi ngā ue pehe. Tanau lawa po nau sia pe hanoi koe whea aki whakakulupu. Nau lawa whi aru ake pe o maheni ke ngata i he manji pota noa ki pe a maa whakafopa moni. Ai polo i he taimi u poku te mamata dua i kia i he tōunga koe i he taimi ni. Ai toi foki koe ai tonga masani. Mau toi nofo hipo whakakulupu. Whakamata atoi ai ngā ue. Tako te whawhiawhia e sio ke whetako ni aki koe ai. Tangai kulupu i he polokalama koe u tonga lere koe he taimi ai tonga masani.
Hilia nai pehe i ofisa kolo o Folaha lipi e tipa hulu. Ok whai pe hono tauhi i ngai whamili ho nau api nofo anga. Pea neongo ai ngai whamili mo i ka inga ko nau hiki whanua ki muli, ka au nau kei whakahoko mai pe ai ngai tokoni ki hono tauhi ho nau kolo ke whakaofa.
O ki tupu toa te hono te whakafoki mai oku ahu tau sio ko toa piki ai ki whakaofa koni ai ngai kolo. Paku kau mako ma tol ki ku Paula ya piko ki whamako e ku whakaofa pito o makolo i he ngau ai hawati whawhili. Oku kau ake au pito i he tau te fito ki he kaumuria kuna popo mai pena ki tokoni mai ki hoi pati me kaku kau ake au pito ai ngahe ngai kolo ke maa he lava ke naufi au hi ke ku saya pite ai unu kone tak mama kau ai fanki pare pe lahi se au hi ai ko kaulele ai pe ia ki te whakaofangia ko ngai kolo i me tuko ke kau.
Ko ngai tau mu aia e polokalama a ahi kolo koe ni, ai maa moe masani ai ngai kolo ki e nofo a kāinga. Ka tau te fito ki ono whakamaa, ko siofia e tu unga mo uilelei ai kolo, me ngahi mahaki o to whanga e whonua, hange koe whakatapu. Neongo na ikai ke toi loko whakahoko mai ki muini ai polokalama a ahi kolo, ka koe whakailonga to tonu eni ai mahu inga ai ngahi polokalama koe ni, ki e ua ngā taha ai kakai o kolo, o ikai ngata pē i whakaofa moe maa ai kolo, ka kukau ki ai ua ngā taha moe melino ai nofo a kāinga. Maaongonga le te om televisione Tonga, ko auritea tau kapo.
O ku i Tongani e timi whakatatolo whakasai ni si eni, ko e kau matao me ngahi whanua ke hepe i mamani o ki iloa ko e expedition, o whakatau mua eni ke whaihangawe ki hono toe stivi pe ko hono stivi eni to unga lahi o e vewe pelestiki o ku laku hi potutahi o tu Tongani, i e mahino o ku ne uli e mo uilelei o seni. Ko e ngā unu eni i he whingai aki mo i vāsi o loki a Tonga, me ngai kopu whikau aki ke hepe, i he konga o i whenga ki toka ngai kina e maa, tō loa mo e mo uilelei o seni.
I he whaik eke ngonga le te o Tonga me tokontale kita wa asioloki a Tonga me le manu nane pehe, ko e fōwhataimi ene ke whakahokai e whatotoloko e ni i he potutahe Pasifiki o Kāwai a Tongani, ko hili ene e nau mawahe mai menu usila ki Tongani. Pehe e manu, ko ngawe ai timi ngau e whatotoloko e ni o whatewhito pe i he whukahitahi, aia ko hono to pe ai tahi me ngahi potutahi kehe i Tongani, o sivi pea e mao me ai ai ola o lahi e vewe plastiki o kutoka i he potutahi a Tonga.
Aku whakatamua e nau whekumi ki he vewe plastiki ko i Oseni o kai ke ngata pe i Tongani, ka e kawa ngahi whetu kehe i mamani Ai koe whawha au maine nau whekumi ki he tawhaaki mai koe e Pasifiki, tahi Pasifiki, ai nā nau tuk whalau mai mei Nusila o ki Tongani, ku nau lotanga Tongatapu he taimini. Koe whatamu ape ke nau tānaki e nau ngahi whakamatala koe ni whekau aki pia mo e lahi o e vewe plastiki koe ni i he Oseni. Whatewhito pe nau whekumi he taimini ki he whukahitahi pe, ke tahi. O ku nau toa i ngahi sampolo me he tahi o sivi ai lahi koe e plastiki ai. Ai koe nau fui hala whanonga mai koe mei nusila koe ki Tongatapu ni he taimini na nau tānak mai ai pe e nau ngahi maunga whamatala ai mo analaiso. Ai lahi koe plastiki i he tahi he fui waha koe o nusila pa mo Tongatapu ni. Pea te nau hoko atu he ngahi wike ka hoko mai ki hapai mo wawau pea hoko atai pe e whanonga mi wawau ki hamoa. Ai koe ki pui tua pe ia ke nau whekumi kono whakahoko.
O ko mahina na oskamata pe ai sevi me whatotoloko i ni i e nau whalau mai i he wahaa o Nusila mo Tongani, kana e pehe e mano. Whatatau ki he ola o kumao he kau whatotolo, o ksisi pe a vewe plastiki he potutahi a Tongani o whatatau, ke ngahi whanua i mamani ko kakato e nau ngāwe ki ai. Neongo ia, ko te eki ke kakato e ngahi potutahi a Tongani hono sivi'i, aia e toki wholau atu e timi whatotoloko i ni ki vavau mō haapai o hoko atu ki ai ai whekumi. Nei pehe e manu, neongo ai ola o kumao he lolo Tongani o pehe o ku ngai le whainga mali e pe, ka o ikai ko hame aia ke ta ofi ai a hono tau ye o se ni ke maa.
Mau pe ai ola ka te nau toki toi ngau e whoko o analaiso wha auruliki kone nau ai ola e nau whekumi pia mo toki tuku ate nau ngahi pepa kone koe lipoti whekaaki pa moe nau ngau e kono whahoko ka koe whakatatau peke he nau lipoti kone he nau wau me ki Tongatapu ni nau whanonga me Nusila ki Tongatapu ni whakahoa ki he ngahi whanua kehe koko nau osi potutahi kehe i mamani ko nau osi whahoko nau ngahi whekumi ki ai o ku nau pehepe o ku kaua e potutahi kono Tongani i he sisi ai e vewe plastiki ka ku keke uhinga ni ea ke tau behea i peta torok sai o sisi e vewe plastiki ho tau i he potutahi kono Tongani ka ku uhinga ko e sivia ko nina whatewhito pe ia i he sampol na nau tō pe me he tahi me whuka he tahi ka ku mahina pe whake ako e kon whak me plastiki o se ni o ku toe lolota te asi ofi koe hae lahe plastiki he ngahi mea mo uiko o se ni ai ku keike au e nau whekumi kone nau au mai ki Tongani he taimini o kāwai ai lahe koe plastiki he ngahi mea mo ui o se ni ka ku nau ngata pene he whukahitahi ka ku mahina o pito pe ia i he anga kon koe ai vilo koe ai au e tahi o se ni ai o ai wheitu e Pasifiki o ku hange o ku mate ki ai e au pe o ku whakatataha ki ai e vewe plastiki a kon koe o Pasifiki o lahi au pito ia ko tuk lahi pio no whatonga i he kakai no ake social media ai ku hange ai ko o ku nau pehe o ku maa e tahi koe no Tongani.
Nā e toi whamala ala manu ki lelea ngahi whatotolo whakahoko ko e ni pe ai toki lahia ki he pe tokoni lahia ki ngahi ngawe ai ngahi potu ngawe i Tongani o whikau aki mohona toka ngai kina ai uli i koe o se ni aki ai vewe plastiki.
Ka unga tona o pito pe ai whekumi ai kau whakatotolo koe ni ki he ki he lelei whaluku fua koe whanua, ai ku na o mai e ngahi ola o e lahe pelestiki ko he o se ni, mahina o pito pe ngau e kone e vasioloki kono te whaaki, tohanga i e ngahi koloa kone o matatahi ka pehefo ki he o se ni, o ke pehefo ko o se ni pe ako soloki ni pe o ku ngau e ki ai, o ku ngahi kufekau aki kehe o ku whengau aki ai i he pot ngau e puleanga, o ai ku kaunga tonu ai ngai whekumu ko ni ki he ngai ngau e ko ma whakahoko, ko wa atakai, ko wa tautai, i he tawhaaki ki tahi, ka i he taimi tatau pe o ku te vahe mai he kau whekumi ko ni, ai lava ke hoko ai ola kon koe nau mawhonga ngau e ko nau whakahoko, e lava pe whakia o whakahoko ki he kiono sivi ake pelestiki i he vai kon koe, o e loto whanua ai ko kaunga tonia ki he maungau e koni hono toa ngai o vai koni ko o taukola vai koni o loto whanua ai lava o ngai aki ai ngahi whaunga ko kuna o ngai aki ke sivi aki ai veve plastiki mahino peo ku momo iki au pito kai ke tau whalava sio ki he taimilahi ke tau ilo e taimi ko i he vai ai ku e lava ngai whaunga kono ngai aki ke ngai aki ke sivi aki koni ai veve pelestiki e lava mau he vai, ta tau pe vai pa moe o seni.
Kai ke he koe timi koe ni, tēnau i tongani i whafuafua ki he wiki e ua ki he tolu ki mua pēnau tok hoko atu ki Haamoa. Mai o ngonga le tio me televisione Tonga, ko au sanolita tu i vai.
Pea nei poke kau polisi e toko hongo fulumahiwa i hangau e taha ni whakahoko eni i he wiki ko sifelawe i tono mo whakaole kona o ku kau ki he ni kakai tangata e hongo fuluma tolu he waha ata o taha fitu ki he o noua mo e kakai whewhine i toko ono ta o taha hiwa ki he nima. O ni ngongo whakalota whanua ia ki he hawani ki ngahi o ngongo me malai o he sipoti hoko mai o kahili eni mo piea o lie.
I he whetaki nima e komisoni whamawhora rea Tonga me potungau e ngahi ngau e whalota whanua pe mia. Malawa i ke whamawhora te mala e sipoti me whiau hi Superaku Pacific Manoa ua no. Whamalo ke 8 minista me tawha hi sipoti ai potungau e i whengau e aki ua whakahoko. Mana mo tau ki whilonga ki koe whakaini ki mala e o e sipoti. Nei mau whenga maria e timi soka tau tahiwa whawhanua ki wainga whawhau i Nusila mo e timi ai Western Springs Youth e kongai e nau teuteu ki e whiau he Oceania e whahoko ki e o tumoto kuki. Wharatau ki a ngongo tukumaipe me kau taha soka atonga, koe kongai ni e teuteu e kahau e tūlalupe ki he whiau hi Sivihu ai Championships e whahoko e ki Haamoa e mahina ko sepi te maa. Koe kuna i he whiau i koe ni whahoko ki o tumoto kuki, pokai peha no sea ki Haamoa o pakihi e mo New Caledonia, o tumotu Solomone mo Haamoa i e Group A, kai taitari mai e hau o Nusila, tahiti mo Fisibe ki Vanuatu i e Group B. O kuteu ke whahoko ai whiau hipu a mamani e FIFA, i re vono tau anoa e tau fo ki Azerbaijan mo Uzbekistan, ai a koe makatuunga ia o whahoko o whiau hini. Kai no tonga ni e wha o se ka hau e tūlalupe a pongpongi mo e New Zealand Māori, ke mu aia e nau wholau ki he automotuku ki he wike kaha o. Kai ki he ku taitari mai e automotuku ki mo Papua New Guinea ke pakihi mo Tūlalupe Junior i aha ono, hiwa, mo i aha tahaua o i mahina katu o.
Ko e wakairewa eni ki he tuunga oe ea i hona tuku mai mihi waa wakaimatangi a tonga i whamotu whakahoko at e vai o lawa i Nikolo.
Malo lau male a hou e ki mo lele a tonga kotoa kei taita lele e bek motole whawhini e tau whamatala ea ngahi mea mahau inga be whaikia tokanga he whawhini ko e hako hako. Hako hako koe ni pe me tau tokanga matangi me tonga haha kewa o at ki wawau hapai Tongatapu ewa kai māteri ki tonga pai moteri toka lau hoko atu hono Moimoi i hako koe ni ia ni a oat ke hongo ni wai whakasinga koe a oe uikeni. O tau anga maheni pe tai mgo hako ai tau tonga anga matangi o nekei o mai pe neongo e alo maali e kau nekei o mai pe angai uatu motoke angai feitu eni i I he tau whai whanonga tu ko ia, i he toanga ko ia oi wikeni ko hui, he koe tau toa amatangi e hoko ate ni hako i toanga ko ia oi wikeni. Kage, ko i misi sa de lai tēne tau whai whanonga mahi ao ni, malawa pike tau sio na e sisi e ngahi ao ko ia na e haa atu i tau elia he o tu Tonga. Ka te mō wakai mai pe ki ngahi ko ngā ao koe ni. Koe koe nu asa koe ni koe ao mao laloin. Pa te mō whatonga i koe hawili o kua ngai pam he tonga hake ko tau toka amatangia. Pea o kune hanga o pohe mai, pe kune whetukutoku mai ngahi ao mao lalo koe ni ki he o tu Tonga pam he tonga hake. Ka pa te mō whatonga i mani ngā unu. O ngā unu me tonga hake o alo ai ki toke lao hifo. Ngai ko ngā ao koe ni wanga mahi ni pe ko ngai ao mao lalo ni o maha ngai uhatu moto ke ngai whetu pe ni. Pa taimi no au pito. Ai ngana pe koe tō atu ai ngahi uhatu umoto koe ni ke ngai whetu eni i. Kaike, koe hoa e wafak whawal ka hoko mai, e kaike iai hafu le liu he hoko atu, he hanga he alomali e pe mi whakatonga, o pule i hake anga tua ea i o tonga, ai a koe ni whetu toko ake hawiri pe mi tonga hake, pe mua ngahi uhatu umoto whakawhetu, pe koe ngai whetu pe ni i, e tau wharonga atu koe ni. E ne pēle waka ngai whakatokanga ni, o kei whahano tuku atu ki he ngai vai whanua. Nei tuku atu whakei whawhini e whatonga hako ki wawao. Hoko atu pe, auna tuku atu ai whatonga ia koe ni ki hapai Tongatapu pia mo ewa. Pia e hoko pe ata i pe whaosinga koe ia oi wikeni. Ta tau pe pia mo tau potahi. Hoko atu na tuku atu whatonga hako mo e whale ia i pe ke ngai wakatou tai ki. Toi tokanga nge taimi koe au whaia ai o ki tahi. Ta te whiteo whaosinga koe ia wikeni. Whai ha no tau tai i mai ha ngahi me tokoni ke whamili he whaosinga wike. Ai a ko wawau o a o mai te tonga pa mo te toke lau. Ke he hoko atu pēna tuku ate whatonga hako. Ke ngai potahi koe ni pēa e hoko ate hako koe ni he whaosinga oe wikeni. Aho ni mako ka hoko mai Pasifiki tau toi sio koe ia pe koe haa hai ngahi sistema kuni hanga o pulei a ngā tua e hei o tonga. Koe alo maari e ni whakatonga o ni hanga whetukutuku hake hawiri pa me tonga hake ki he o tonga. Ha oe mālohi hawiri ki hako e tau whanonga te whaosinga o keni o a o ki he wike kaha o. Koe alo maari e koe ni e whanonga whakahahake ai pe i ngai aho ka hoko mai. Pe he ni whanonga whakahake au ke wike kaha o tēne me pule i hake hawiri pa me hake pa me tonga hake e wike kaha o pe ke ia o pe ke mālohi ko ia o hako. Hanga maheni pe o tonga ni ngone alo maari e. Kai ke iai pe ngai uhatu moto ki he ngai wheitu e ni i. Pe ko ngai uhatu moto koe ni o taimi no apito pe e taimi ko ia o ku tō atu ai ke ngai wheitu e ni i aho e ni ma ko ia ka hako mai. Kato ke tau wakai ke ngai whanonga alo maari e koe ni whatonga e whanonga whakahahake. Me te mō wakai me pe ke hawiri ke ia ngai pe me tonga hake. Alo pe e wike kaha u e ni whanonga whakahahake atu o ku teka ke hawiri o me ke hahake tonga hahake. I he wike kaha o pe o ke hoko at pe alo maari e ko ngai uhatu umoto pe tawanga maheni ki ai e tō at ke ngai whetu e ni i aho e ni ma ko ia ka hoko mai. Ko ia koe tu ai ea he pōni o a o ki a hengi o tau ngai vai whanua ok mahi no pe o pule i hake a hawili e alomari e pia me he whatonga bakneo mai a alomari e ki o tau elia ko ngai uhatu umoto pe ngai whetu e ni ihi e te tau a manaki ki ai e tau whanonga toa o ki a hengi. Ma eli moko pia moe fua ma whana he pōni a o ke he maola ke tiki se te se taha hiwa ngai vai whanua kone whakatonga a o ai pe ki ongo niwa e tiki se te se wawa wato he pōni moko le le ongo niwa a o te ngahi ai ma eli moko ea ki ongo niwa he pōni pe me he tonga haha ke pia ke hako pe foki ai ngai potahi koe no wawau o a o mai te tonga pe mo te toke lau. A uia ki he mālohi o e hako, mai tahi wani matonoa ki he hoa i hangahi taimi e tau whanonga o a o ki a hengi. Ka koe whalai te, ki hoko atu pe fo ki hanga ia he au maali e whatonga o pule i anga tua e hei o tonga pe e te tau ki hoko atu pe au maali e. Ke iai pe whainga maali e ke i hangahi uhatu moto i ngai konga au mao lalo o whetukutuk mai pe me tonga hake. Ki he o tutonga e tau whanonga a pongi ma whana. Ne lei pe wha ma whana tiki so te se wa fitu ki he wahiwa a pongi. Hoko atu moe hako a pongi wawa o mai te tonga pa mo te toklau pe ma lohi at pe mo hawili i onga niwa o au ke maritahi e wanoa a pongi pe me he tonga ha ke ai pe. taimi ko ia o e tahi ai mahatoka e poni toi kuata ke tahawa tu apo mali o poni. Pe tok tau mali ia e hoko tonu ai o no i e pongpongi ko ia a pongpongi. Pea e whangai lupe ke hopoha ke la a pongpongi he osi hiwa. Pea me he fitu, pea e tō hi foi mahina ia a hengi. Pea me he toi taha ko ia ki he nima. Ko tau whanonga atu fokeni ki he katoa e mahina. Katoa ia i sa pate o keni aho whaka osi. O e mahina ko ia kome. Ka koe toi ngā koe whamatala ea, whasinga wikeni o a o ke konga loto o wike kaha au hangi koe koe whakatala noa ko ia. Ke aho ni maka hoko mai, koe tau wakai ke almarie, tene ke hanga pepule i anga tua ea. Nuku'alofa hoka te almarie ka o ke ai pe whainga malie ia, ke ia i hanga i uatu moto whawhetu. Peko hanga i whetu eni ihi, i aho ni maka hoko mai i Nuku'alofa. Pea koe fua mawhana, e Nuku'alofa aho ni maka hoko mai e tik disitasi wa fitu wa malu. Mawhana lelei pe fua mawhana i Nuku'alofa i he whasinga wikeni ki he konga loto o wike kahau. Na wakakato e mo whaumatala ea ki e whewhini amalak pe mo mao ha e whiawhi whono ke lesi ia ka mo mea.
Vai ola ia mo e toonga o ea ka tau toe wakainge pe heni ki ngahi ulu ia ngongo. Lego ti hawaka e hongo fulu maua tukua ki i tau taita e whakalao i he potutahi o Tongani i ngāwi taha makehi ai Pasifiki. Pōpōa mo wikia i he kau ofisa kolo, a e polo kalama a ahi kolo e poto ngāwe takumamata i hono teke mo whakaivia a e maa whaafo ofa me masani pia mo uilelei ai ngāhi tōko i kolo. Pea i Tongani e timi whakatatolo whakasai nisi ke sivi ai to onga lahi koia o i vewe pelestiki i he potutahi o Tongani. Mo e kakatoi pia i ngāhi o ngongo me le dio kai uma ai televisone to ngā ki hauani mo i whakaamo ne o taki kotoa atu pe ia ki loto whale kotoa. Kai malo e tau kei whiau mai ka mō mea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with Radio and Television Tonga News for this Thursday evening, May 28th. Today's top stories: Joint Pacific Operation detects suspected illegal fishing in Tongan waters. Masani Connect 2026 village inspections are underway, with many town officers praising the return of the program. And expedition research team in Tonga to study plastic pollution in Tongan waters. These and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest from the sports scene and the latest weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I am Popoa Aho. His Majesty's Armed Forces has worked alongside Australian and New Zealand defence personnel in a regional operation that identified 12 vessels suspected of illegal fishing in Tonga's exclusive economic zone and neighbouring Pacific waters this month.
The operation, known as Operation Tuimoana, involved the Australian Defence Force deploying Royal Australian Air Force aircraft and personnel to Tonga and the Cook Islands to help monitor illegal, unreported and unregulated fishing across the southwest Pacific. Australian Defence Force officials say the mission was carried out in partnership with His Majesty's Armed Forces and the Royal New Zealand Air Force under the Pacific Islands Foreign Fisheries Agency's Operation Tuimoana. The detachment commander from the Royal Australian Air Force, Lieutenant Sean Choice, says the joint effort helped identify 12 vessels of interest suspected of illegal fishing in the exclusive economic zones of Tonga and the Cook Islands. Surveillance patrols during the operation covered more than 113,000 square kilometers, targeting threats to the Pacific's marine resources and transnational organized crime activities. Officials say illegal fishing continues to threaten the economies, food security and sovereignty of Pacific nations, including Tonga. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
Several town officers in Tongatapu have expressed their support and appreciation for the return of the Ministry of Tourism's Village Beautification Promotion Program, saying it encourages and strengthens unity among community members to work together in keeping their homes and villages clean, beautiful and well maintained. They support the Masani Connect initiative because it also promotes the importance of raising people in a healthy environment.
The village inspection program is still continuing at present. The town office of Atata City, Jonathan Fonua, said the program is very important because it motivates residents to become more active in caring for their individual homes and the village as a whole, while also contributing to healthier living. More than 40 households in Atata City registered and participated in the village inspection program. The town officer of Talafo'o, Penny Tuitupo, said 4 blocks from Talafo'o registered for the village inspection program, and they feel encouraged by the work promoted by the Ministry of Tourism. He explained that the program not only encourages a clean and attractive environment, but also strengthens relationships and unity within the community. Meanwhile, the town officer Folaha Lipieti Pahulu said families continue to maintain their homes and surroundings. He added that even families and relatives who have moved overseas still continue to contribute support towards keeping their village beautiful. The main goals of the village inspection program are to ensure villages remain clean and well maintained for residents, especially through sanitation efforts that help improve public health and protect communities from diseases affecting the country, such as dengue fever. Although the village inspection program had not been carried out for some time in recent years, its return highlights the importance of such initiatives in strengthening unity among villages. The benefits go beyond keeping villages clean and attractive, as they also help promote togetherness and peaceful community living. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
An international scientific research team known as the Expedition Team is currently in Tonga to examine the level of plastic waste being dumped into the ocean around Tonga and polluting the marine environment. The team is made up of scientific experts from different countries around the world and are in Tonga after completing a visit to New Zealand.
Speaking to Radio and Television Tonga News, the Deputy Director of the Tonga Geological Services, Milemanu, said, "This is the first time such research is being carried out in the Pacific region involving Tonga." The team arrived in Tonga after travelling from New Zealand. Manu explained that the research mainly focuses on offshore areas where seawater samples are being collected from different parts of Tonga for testing. The result will help determine the amount of plastic pollution present in Tonga's ocean waters. She adds that the testing and research had already begun during the team voyage between New Zealand and Tonga. However, according to the findings from the scientists, the level of the plastic waste in Tonga waters appears to be relatively low compared to other countries where similar studies have already been completed. Despite this, the survey of Tonga's waters is not yet completed, as the team will also travel to Vava'u and Hapai to continue their research. Manu said that although the early findings are encouraging, it should not stop efforts to keep the ocean clean. She also highlighted the importance of the research, saying it will greatly assist government ministries and departments in Tonga in their work relating to ocean protection and tackling marine pollution caused by plastic waste. The research team is expected to remain in Tonga for about 2 to 3 weeks before continuing to Samoa.
And police have arrested 19 people during a special operation carried out last week targeting drunk driving offences. Those arrested included 13 men aged between 17 and 62 years old and 6 women aged between 19 and 55 years old. This operation is part of the police effort to ensure the safety and well-being of the public by preventing people from driving under the influence of alcohol in order to avoid loss of life and damage that may occur on public roads to other road users. Police say they will continue carrying out these operations to ensure the public's safety on the roads and to prevent lives lost in road accidents related to drunk driving. And that was the latest from the local scene. After this break, we'll join Pia Olie for the latest in sports.
Welcome back in sport. The Tonga Under-19 men's football team has begun its warm-up matches in New Zealand ahead of the OFC Under-19 men's qualifiers in the Cook Islands next month. The winner of the qualifiers will advance to the OFC Under-19 men's championship in Samoa from September 1st to the 14th. The Tonga Football Association says the side played Western Springs Youth in a warm-up match in Aotearoa last night. Coach Louis Morvesi says he is pleased with the team's performance. Tonga will play its final warm-up match tomorrow against the New Zealand Maori side. The team will then travel to the Cook Islands for the qualifiers, where Tonga will face Papua New Guinea and the hosts. Defending champions New Zealand are drawn in Group B alongside Tahiti, Fiji and Vanuatu. Group A features hosts Samoa, New Caledonia, Solomon Islands and the qualifying tournament winner. The top two teams from the championship will qualify for the FIFA Under-20 World Cup in Azerbaijan and Uzbekistan in 2027. And that's sports news.
That was the latest sports news. Now taking a look at the weather update from the Fort Motor Weather Forecasting Centre with Viola Vainikolo.
Malalele, good evening. Welcome to your evening forecast. Major concern for this evening. Take note that the strong wind from the southeast will persist throughout the weekend and also next week, and it is usually gives us isolated showers at some places regardless the fine and sunny spell throughout the day. Satellite imagery today clearly indicate less few low cloud passing through our island division, and of course was bringing isolated showers today. Well, in the next 24 to 48 hours, expect this condition to persist across Tonga in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. Check out the warning for land areas. Strong wind warning still enforced for Vauha by Tongatapu and Ewa land areas expected to extend to the north this weekend. Of course, a strong wind for and small craft advisory still enforced for Vava'o all the way to Tonga and the Toklau coastal waters as of this evening, to expect these strong wind to continue over the weekend and also next week. In the next 5 days across the Pacific region, we're looking in the bigger picture, what system that driven the weather in the Kingdom of Tonga. Take a look at this high pressure to the far south will still remain to the south tomorrow and driven the strong wind from the southeast across Tonga. This high pressure expected to move east. As it moves east throughout the weekend and also next week, it will, as it located to the southeast of Tonga, it will slightly shift or driven the wind to slightly shift to the east and southeast by next week, and it is still expected to becoming strong. So let's have a look how it goes. So this is a high pressure that driven the weather in the Kingdom of Tonga, bringing fine weather, isolated showers, strong wind from the southeast. As it moves east over the weekend, as you can see, the wind still remains to the, from the southeast. As it located to the southeast by next week, the wind slightly turned to the east and southeast by next week. And of course, we will be continuing with the fine weather and also isolated showers at some places until Tuesday next week. Forecast for tonight or this evening rather, until early tomorrow. Expect fine weather most of the time from tonight, from this evening until early tomorrow across Tonga. And the prevailing wind will remain from the southeast, still rising up to strong wind over Vava'o coastal waters down south to Tonga and Toklau coastal waters up to 25-30 knots at times. So the minimum temperature tonight forecast down to 19 degrees here in the southern parts of Tonga up to 22 to 23 degrees to the far north over the Niuas. Of course, tomorrow the condition will slightly the same. As you can see, the high pressure to the far south will still dominate the weather here in the Kingdom of Tonga tomorrow, driven the wind direction from the southeast, still rise up to strong wind over Vava'o down south to the Tonga and Tonga coastal waters up to 25 to 30 knots at times over coastal waters. As you can see, the prevailing wind over the Niuas from the southeast start to pick up to 20 knots at times by tomorrow, and the maximum temperature forecast around 27 to 29 degrees tomorrow across Tonga. Tide prediction: low tide tonight, 11:45 midnight tonight, and the high tide will be tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. Sunrise tomorrow, 7:09, and the moon set will be early tomorrow, 5:01. So this coming Sunday is the full moon. 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, of course. As I've said, high pressure to the south will migrate or move east and dominate the weather here in Nuku'alofa. So fine weather most of the time expected here in Nuku'alofa in the next 5 days, but do expect isolated showers or passing showers at some places. Maximum temperature forecast around 27 to 28 degrees Celsius here in Nuku'alofa in the next 5 days. And that will be all from your Met service for these evenings. Good evening.
Thank you to Viola and the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest weather update. That wraps up this hour's news package, but before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Joint Pacific Operation detects suspected illegal fishing in Tongan waters. Masani Connect 2026 village inspections are underway, with many town officers praising the return of the program. And the expedition research team is in Tonga to study plastic pollution in Tongan waters. That's your news package for this Thursday evening, May 28th. For more on these stories, you can visit our website at www.tbc.to. Join us again tomorrow for the latest local, sports and weather updates. Now for myself and the radio and television Tonga News team, thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.